What? Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a simple 3-ingredient cookie that can be eaten as breakfast, dessert, or snack. These are filling and give you all natural energy to last you into your next meal. You're going to need 1.5 cups of rolled oats, half a jar of all-natural peanut butter, and a pack of dairy-free chocolate chips. To melt the chocolate, it's best if you use a double boiler so the chocolate won't burn. I don't have one, so I'm going to improvise today. I'm going to place a glass bowl in a pot that I have with about a half inch of water on medium-low heat. Make sure to stir the chocolate about every 30 seconds so it melts evenly. If you're using this method, be careful not to get any water inside the bowl. If you do, no worries, just dump the water out and continue stirring. Next, in a big bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of the dry oats, half the jar of peanut butter, the melted chocolate, and stir. Once it's evenly mixed, I'm going to add the other half cup of oats and stir again. Next, I'm going to start forming the cookies on a baking sheet that I lined with wax paper. I used a spoonful for each cookie so they would come out as evenly as possible. I'm going to place another sheet of wax paper on top of the cookies to flatten them out and place them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to harden. If you want them done faster, you can put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. And they're done. Thank you for making it this far in the video. I really appreciate everyone's support. Seeing my views, likes, and subscribers go up means so much to me. If any of you all tried this recipe or are thinking about living a healthier lifestyle, let me know in the comments below. I'm here for anyone who needs support, motivation, or tips. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to know when I post next. God bless you all and stay positive. Penny, what are you doing?